right, ladies, do you have any idea where we are?
Seed. I don't want to.
So Pop Top doesn't either, but we're gonna check it out.
Some pretty cool chairs and actually a lot of food
just by
cans.
the looks of the cabin,
There's
and
a lot
the
of
fact that they got
There's a lot of soda cans and glass and a modern day couch. The cans look like they're probably newer. They do have there is running water, which means it's probably a little newer. And there's chairs and I saw a septic tank.
Wait, I see something. Other than the car. Over here.
See this shed.
So we'll check out.
And this
Yeah.
the outhouse.
That's what I saw.
Hiding in
Well, what do we want to check out first?
Car.
Broken building.
Car.
That's 2 for the car, 1 for the broken building. Baby, what's your vote? Whatever. Oh, okay. Pop Pop, what are we checking out first?
well, we're here, so we're at this one. So I would say do the easiest one first.
Car.
Car? Okay, all right. Well, we're gonna head over to the car. Made it to the truck.
Can I go in?
No license plate? No license plate.
Can I go on it?
You want to go on the truck?
Yeah.
Go to the front, see what's left of the truck.
Dang, this truck used to see better days.
Yeah, this truck's looking pretty rough.
This looks. Why aren't truck backs this big anymore? It's like so small. Look how big this is. What is that? Oh.
Not a whole lot left. Look, they took the motor.
You took the motor?
Yeah.
It's definitely seen better days.
Pretty cool looking though, huh?
Pretty sure I see eggs. What are these white things?
Yeah. You found the outhouse?
Yeah, I found your way.
So it's a Ford something. The only way I know it's a Ford,
Can I go on it?
it's an F100.
Dada, can we go on it? I want to see his opinion.
Ford 100 is what it says. I don't know if that means F100. Yeah.
I found you a way to the outhouse. Mama,
Okay.
the handles are still brand new.
We'll check it out here in a second.
Very nice silver bone.
Be careful of the glass.
And that's here. I bet someone died in here.
Danny, where was your
It crashed, Mom.
Oh, hey, it keeps going. Looks like the mine's back there.
They crashed.
Do you guys want to walk back to where the mine is?
No, Jeff, I want to show you the outhouse.
We'll be back that way, I promise. All right, we're gonna catch up with everybody over there. I think it's the mine. Don't know if you can hear the little people. They're down there. The road up here. They probably dropped stuff in. They had a mill here. And we'll come down. I'll try to view it from above before I walk on down to everybody. There's a cabin down there. There's that old Ford 100. And climbed up the side. I think I saw the entrance to the mine below where I was climbing. I don't know if I can get to it. There's a lot of overgrown stuff. We're out here in Rainbow. No, not Rainbow. Railroad Valley. That's what's off in the distance there. We're on the south side of that. Highway 6 runs along there. So yeah, up here in the wilderness. It's kind of neat. They did when they built the road, help keep the road up from the down below. So yeah, I'll try to check out what's left of the mill here, catch up with everybody down a little lower. So the ore would come in from up there, drop it down, and get processed through multiple steps This is all that's left. The girls are down there. I'll walk down to see what we can see. It's mostly rubble now. This had to have been a newer, that truck, I think Pop said, from the 60s. So maybe 60s and 70s this was being worked. I don't know. We'll keep exploring. All right, I'm coming down.
Hey, come down the right way. If you die, it's not our fault.
Okay, fair.
You break your camera.
Fair enough. If I break the camera, it's not the girl's fault. Don't worry, I'll make sure I fall on myself before I drop this camera.
Wow. Wow. How protected.
The camera is important. All right, I gotta stop filming so I can get down there. Made it down without falling. I'm gonna check out the houses, but here's what's left of the mill. Not a whole lot,
Yep, just so you don't forget.
but still pretty neat. Baby, she doesn't want you to get lost.
I know. You know. She had to follow me down.
So they had electric. All right, so all that
Well, the pipes look relatively new.
Mama.
PVC. Yeah, they're using PVC piping.
Madison,
All you electrical folks.
Come on, Mama.
I'm coming.
Here's a shot of what's left of the box. Don't have the foggiest idea what this thing was. It's like multiple steps, and it needed water.
Now I'm lost.
And then it looks like a tumbler was hooked up to it. But I don't know.
Got it.
Is this what would have been the motor?
This way.
There's an old stove,
Mom.
I think.
Mom.
Wendy found a stove.
What?
Help.
All right, we'll walk over and check out some more stuff. We got fire turkeys. Don't know if everybody can hear the turkeys gobbling.
I got you. I got you.
Grabbing onto this stick.
No idea what that was.
I don't know either. But the other thing kind of looks like a stove. Maybe not.
No, I think you're right. It says it's a Danny Banquet. Is that what that says? There's its, maybe that's its serial number. I don't know.
How nice to say that she
I think that's part of an old washing machine. Here's the cabin. So we'll check that out. Oh, that's a prickly bush. Another, maybe there's a washing machine drum, I don't know. Little table. Side of the cabin. Well,
Daddy,
yeah.
can I go down
No,
this?
walking on the box spring.
Can I go down this?
Sure. Oh, it's multiple cabins. What's left in here? I'm gonna try to get in there. Let's try. Let's give it a shot. There's lots of trees. And we're in.
We're dead soon. I'm dead soon. We're both dead soon. Mom, how did I do this? Let's see. Oh, Daddy.
that is. I'll look at it later so I can see what it is. It uses a
I see Papa.
fragile. Do not drop.
Through the cabin window. Madison, Sophia, look through the cabin window.
Why are you yelling?
I'm with my dad.
It's been a workshop.
What?
He had running water. He or she or they or
I'm with my dad.
whomever. And they had, I don't know if they had electricity. Wasps were living in here. Wasps' nests everywhere.
So yeah.
Just pan around. El Producto.
I
That's
should
what that
be.
says.
I'm with my dad. Yeah, I'm with my dad.
Inventory sheets.
Papa, can I come?
Hmm?
Wait, you want some this steep hill? It's actually steep.
I think that's it.
You just gotta shimmy like this.
That's it for in here. All right, I'm gonna walk through. This is gonna be our honeymoon cabin. Right, baby? She's not amused.
It has the, protected habitat bat sign in the back that somebody tore down, stuck back there.
Oh. Got some old. Did you guys see these?
Yeah.
Some old shoes.
I wonder whose they are.
I don't know. Go for a walkabout.
You can't go in. It is not structurally sound.
Well, I guess. How about I'll go. You guys stay.
I don't know.
Hey, Mama will take care of you if something bad happens to you. Nothing bad's gonna happen to me. I'm be in, I'll be out.
You're gonna die.
Fall through the floor.
I'm not gonna fall through the floor.
He's gonna die, isn't he?
It's gonna fall through the floor and get a splinter.
Right, my big toe.
We'll have to get him a tetanus shot.
Yep.
Don't die on me.
So not much to see. Still some wallpaper over there.
Mama, Dad is gonna die, Susie.
Not very wise choice.
These look like my old
Shake over there.
Kim boots. What's left of a couch. This must have been the living room. But not a lot left. And then the porch.
I like to see things go down.
Yeah, there's not much left of this house. Or cabin.
There's a chair.
Alright, I think that finishes up.
No, look, there's white things with pokes.
Okay. I think that finishes this up for all the stuff. We'll catch up at the truck. I hear we now know what mine we're at.
Yes, we accidentally went to the wrong mine, but we are going to the other one today. The one we are currently at is Terrell Mine.
Taro mine? Tyrrell? Taro?
Dog.
Taro.
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 Okay,
Taro.
Taro mine.
Terrell
Pop Pop, you know anything about this mine?
I didn't even know this piece was here.
There's a road up higher too. Yeah, Pop Pop was saying there's roads all over. What'd you think, Haley?
Papa, you have a little twig.
What'd you think?
on top of your roof.
Is it cool?
You have a little twig on top of your roof. We just took the wrong turn. We went a little farther than expected.
Yep, we're heading to the Nye mine. That's where we're actually going.
Yeah, that's where we were going. That's where we were supposed to go.
All right, so if we do another video, it's because we're going to be at the Nye mine. You guys got anything to say before we end the video?
keep watching. A new one will be posted.
There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Keep fighting coronavirus and subscribe.
This is a cystic fibrosis channel.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
If you have coronavirus,
We will see you next
stay
time.
safe and stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
That's a wrap.
Eat all your food when your parents make food.
Yeah, eat all your food every single day.
These two cannot eat snacks now.
Everybody's a critic.